The excavator operator, experienced and talented, showed extraordinary dexterity in unloading the excavator from the large truck.
Boom! The crash of down.
Under the weight of the excavator, he used his technique and experience to keep both machines balanced and stable.
You look at that. You lift off the ground.
What's this called again, Cole?
Fly like an E6. Hey, you should go up there. I can still see you up there, but I won't walk out back.
The M1 Abrams tank is fighting hard to free itself from the heavy mud road. With a powerful engine and powerful tracks, the tank resists the weight of the mud, every move a decisive effort.
Come on, baby!
The K701 tractor was stuck in thick, black mud. The mud had filled the frame and held it tightly like a stone statue. In this difficult situation, another tractor used its power to pull the K701 out of there. Each pull was a constant effort, but the K701 was still stuck. But the tractor driver did not give up. He used his skills along with the power of the tractor to pull the K701 up. Finally, with steadfastness and unwavering determination, he and the tractor successfully pulled the K701 out of the mud.
Советская техника, о, видел? Ты не...
This is one of the traditional ways of cutting stone in Japan. And this is not only an art, but also one of the precious secrets that their ancestors passed down to their children and grandchildren. The stone cutting process begins by placing a wedge, a traditional tool, in a precise position on the rock. The worker then uses the hammer with strength and skill to lightly hit the wedge points, separating each piece of stone from the original block. After the rock has been separated into small pieces, the worker continues his work with the help of an excavator. Snow plowing in southern Ontario is an important winter job. Using powerful snow plows, they plow through roads and paths, removing significant snow to ensure traffic safety for local residents. The ability to work in harsh weather conditions and handle heavy snow are important features of these powerful snow plows. Senebogen 870R with clamshell handle loading extremely high quality goods at Efesin Port, Turkey. The rescue of 700 by the powerful Karmar bulldozer demonstrates the spirit of solidarity and high cooperation of those around.